Hi, I'm Jacob Skog. I'm a sales engineer for Schweitzer Engineering Laboratories. Today, we're going to see how easy it is to install the LINAM MC Multiconductor Cable Fault Indicator. The LINAM MC is an easy-to-install fault indicator designed to quickly and reliably locate faults in underground multiconductor distribution cables. Now, let's take a look at how easy it is to install the LINAM MC. The LINAM MC is easy to install and helps line crews by reducing fault locating time in underground distribution systems. For more information, visit our website at selinc.com. Thank you.